There's some of the LA Rams rookies. They're getting a pretty sweet tour of the stadium today, and can't lie, I'm a little jealous, so good for them. LA Rams. Y'all are on YouTube. Got a crane here, slowly moving in position. Kind of reminds me of NASA, Cape Canaveral, and they would move those Apollo rockets slowly. Structure that's gone up here. I've never really seen this before. Now you can see off in the distance there's another roof panel that's strapped up and ready to go, I think. And there's also another one physically on one of the roof trusses. Pretty cool. Several workers working on this panel, making it happen. Here you can look at just more of those smaller pieces that have been installed in the past few days. You can see they're utilizing, these are support beams. Just one guy here on this roof column today.